Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to survive and fix Jeep Wrangler death wobble. When death wobble strikes, your Jeep's front end will shake violently, making it feel like you're losing control. The most crucial first step is to remain calm. Gently ease off the accelerator and slowly apply the brakes to reduce your speed. Avoid any sudden steering inputs or hard braking, as this can worsen the situation. Once you've slowed down sufficiently, safely pull your vehicle over to the side of the road. Once you've safely stopped, it's time to identify the root cause of the death wobble. The track bar is a primary suspect. Check its bolts for tightness and its bushings for wear. Next, inspect your tie rod ends and drag link for any looseness or damage. Worn ball joints are another common culprit, so check for excessive play. Finally, don't forget to examine your control arm bushings for signs of deterioration, as these components are critical for maintaining proper suspension geometry. Addressing the identified issues is key to fixing death wobble. Start by replacing any worn track bar bushings and ensuring all track bar bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 125 foot-pounds. If your tie rod ends or drag link are compromised, replace them with quality components. Worn ball joints must be replaced to restore proper steering. Additionally, a high-quality steering stabilizer can help dampen vibrations, though it won't fix the underlying problem. Preventing death wobble involves consistent maintenance and proactive measures. Regularly inspect your front suspension and steering components for any signs of wear or looseness. Maintaining correct tire pressure and ensuring your tires are properly balanced and rotated are also vital steps. Get your alignment checked periodically, particularly after any strenuous off-road adventures. For long-term peace of mind, consider upgrading to heavy-duty steering and suspension parts, which offer greater resilience against future wobbles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.